Hey everybody, I'm just gonna do a quick video on changing the rear cam seal on your Mitsubishi Montero. So it's gonna be right here on the passenger side in the back. So let me try to get my phone. There's this bolt right here, and there's also a bolt right here, and you can easily tell it's leaking by just running your finger right underneath it. So here's the cam seal. You're gonna run your finger right underneath it. It should be bone dry, and as you can see, I already wiped it earlier, but mine's leaking, so there's gonna be oil right there. And you just pop those two 12mm bolts off, and it pops right out, and you just replace the O-ring. Okay, I just got both the bolts out. And I'm going to take the cam cap off in the back. I'm just gonna grab it, and it wiggles out really easy. Well, it shouldn't wiggle out easy, but if it's leaking, it's gonna wiggle out easy. And here it is. Beware, it's gonna spill some oil and stuff. And I just gotta get it out of here. Alright, so here it is. And that O-ring right there is what leaks, and that's what I'm gonna be replacing today with the brand new O-ring. And I'll get back to you in 1 second. Okay, so I got the cam cap out, cleaned it up, and here's the old O-ring. And as you can kind of see, it is super flat in there, and it's rock hard. And here's a brand new OEM O-ring. There's the part number. Got it on partsook.com. You could also get these on lusooverland.com. And I'm just gonna take the cam cap out real quick. See if I can get it on camera. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but this O-ring is literally rock solid. So here's the O-ring. I'm gonna squeeze it. There it is. This thing's destroyed. Literally rock solid. No chance that was sealing. I'm gonna put this brand new rubber one in, and I'll let you know how it goes. Right, so I got the new O-ring installed, and it's hard to tell, but this one sticks out a little bit more because it's not totally flattened. It's nice soft rubber, so it's gonna seal, and you just slide it right over. Not too big of a deal. Don't use a screwdriver when installing it, just do it by hand. And I'm actually just gonna walk right over and install it right now. I'm gonna do one final wipe down back here of the cam area. Make sure it's all cleaned. It's fine. Alright, it's cleaned. It only goes in one way. It goes in like this. So the flatter part goes up. I'm gonna come right around like this. Actually, I need to get a better position. Alright, so it's right back there. It'll kind of go in by itself. And then at the end, it's gonna be a little hard, but try to get my camera in there. You see it right there. So right when it gets to the O-ring, it's gonna not want to go in. You're gonna have to push kind of hard. Not super hard like crazy, but put a little force into it. Actually, hold on. I messed up. First thing you gotta do is make sure that little holder for the coolant pipe is out of the way, then you could install it. Kind of line it up how it's supposed to go on. It'll suck right in like that. And you move. Not sure if you can see my finger, but this little piece holds this coolant pipe. So you're just gonna put that on top. You're gonna grab your bolt. You're gonna go through that little coolant pipe holder. And into the cam cap. And from there, it'll actually bolt right in. So it actually looks like this is actually the wrong bolt. So whoever I bought this car from didn't even do that right. I'm gonna do this one first. And somewhere in my manual it said like 120 inch-pounds, which translates to like 10 foot-pounds. So not that tight at all. Nice, pretty much snug with the ratchet. Don't want to tighten it too much. I'm actually gonna go look at my bolt bin and see if I have the correct bolt, because this is definitely not the correct one.